two quick points on the menorah that we're learning about these days is that the Rambam makes a picture of what the menorah looked like, and it's very unusual that we see that the cups are upside down. We know that all mitzvahs in general are supposed to be done the way they grow, like the beams in the Mishkan were set up the way the tree grows. So why were the cups upside down? The Rebbe explains a fascinating answer, how the idea of a cup is all about giving. A barrel is there to contain, but a cup's main purpose is not to keep it as storage, but to pour, especially when it's associated with the menorah, how the menorah is all about giving light, like the windows of the Mishkan were done outward in order to disseminate the light. So the main way that a cup should be presented is when it's upside down. The second point is how in the picture of the Rambam's menorah, it was not round, rather crooked. And this we see all over these round menorahs. It's not the way it was in the Mishkan. It's rather a mistake adopted from the Arch of Titus, which is in Rome, where there's a picture of a round menorah. Now, it's obviously not an accurate menorah. First of all, the feet of the menorah is obviously off in that picture. And even the menorah of Hanukkah, which is not necessarily the menorah of the Mishkan, but we should try as much as possible in all logos and all brochures and all events to always have a crooked menorah, because that's the way it was in the Mishkan, especially that the round menorah was trying to intimidate the Jews, and they would remind you in how they were less than, and it said on it, Yunde Gefange, like the Jews are captives, and we should publicize this to make every menorah only diagonal.